Say hello to Crane-M2, the world's most flexible handheld gimbal, designed to fit any lightweight camera system. Silky smooth footage has never been easier. Just snap in your camera, balance, and start shooting. So you can turn those shaky shots into this. With Crane-M2, you've never had more options. It supports a wide range of smartphones, action cams, and compact cameras. Forget about the hassle of carrying bulky gear. Crane-M2 is as compact as ever, so you can stay lightweight on the go. And with its new positioning lock screw on the roll axis, you'll never waste another minute rebalancing on setup. With its creative shooting modes, Crane-M2 does everything your selfie stick can't. Got a fast-moving subject? No problem. Tighten the gimbal's grip and pan quickly with Go mode. Roll through your environment with Vortex mode. Or take it up a notch and flow through all three axes with full-range POV mode for an immersive perspective like never before. Explore all sorts of fun tricks with Crane-M2's smooth zoom control. Warp the world as we know it with dolly zoom. Go solo with selfie mode. Just 3 quick taps and you're ready to start sharing your own show with the world. Power up your Crane-M2 with loads of other gear, thanks to the 1/4-inch screw mount. Gain remote control of the gimbal through Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you can frame your shots without any hassle over cables or adapters. And with its intuitive OLED display, you have all the info you need right in front of you. Like a cinema camera in the palm of your hand, Crane-M2 gives you the power of professional filmmaking with one simple device. So say goodbye to shaky footage and say hello to a new era of content creation built for everyone.